Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy for growing your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then after that I'll be sharing with you guys how to trade with this strategy. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please do make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon here. After doing that, you search for your fractals, which is the first indicator here. Okay, so in order to search for the fractal, you click on this plus icon. All right, so you're going to see a list of indicators like this. Then you search for your fractals. Okay, and you can see here is the fractal. Okay, so after searching for the fractals, you click on it. All right, so you use the default setting. Okay, but I changed mine to color blue. All right, so you can use any color of your choice, and you can see the pixel. I use 3 pixel. Okay, so this is the first pixel, this is the second one, and this is the third one. All right, so whichever one you feel like using, you can go for it. Okay, but in order for the fractals to be bold on your chart, you use the third one. Okay, so after that you click on done. You are going to have this little dot here on your chart. Okay, so the next indicator we have here is the MACD. All right, so you're gonna click on this plus icon again. You search for your MACD, and you are going to set it to the way you are seeing it here. Okay, so the fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, the apply to is close, the levels we leave it as it is, time frame all time frame, the main you make it color blue, 3 pixel, the signal you make it color the main you make it color green, the signal you make it color blue, 3 pixel for the both of them, and then you click on done. Okay, and the next indicator we have here is the relative strength index, which we are going to be using for our levels. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on this second plus icon here, the indicator into 1 plus icon, then you search for your relative strength index. Okay, the period is 1, apply to is close, the levels we have 15 and 85. Okay, after that you make the time frame all time frame. All right, the style you make it the color of your background. All right, so my background is black right now, so I'm going to change it to black. Okay, then the levels you make it the pixel you leave it at 1. Okay, because we don't want anything to reflect on our chart. Okay, so after that you click on done. Right now the last indicator we have here is the moving average. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on this indicator in the 1 plus icon, then you search for your moving average. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its first indicator starter. As you can see, the last indicator here. After that you go back, and the levels you leave it as it is, time frame all time frame. The style you are going to make it color of your background, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Okay, so once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained it, you are going to have a screen like this. Okay, now before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy, which I've been giving out. Okay, so if you are a beginner, you are just coming across this channel, then make sure you listen very well. Okay, there's a boom and crash strategy which I'm giving out, a VIP boom and crash strategy that can help you grow your small account. Okay, as little as a $5 account, so long as you can open a position with this strategy I'm talking about, you will be able to grow that account to any amount you want. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me directly, and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, so that aside, back to this strategy right here. Now this is also a good strategy, a powerful strategy also. Okay, but I'm going to be giving it out for free. All right, now make sure you listen to everything I'm going to be explaining in this video, and you won't regret it. Okay, now the first condition is that we want to go to the higher time frame to do our analysis. All right, we want to know the direction of the market before coming back to the 1 minute time frame here to take our entries. Okay, so now you're going to be clicking on this area here, right? Time frame. You go to your 1 hour time frame, right? Now on the 1 hour time frame, you want to know the direction of the market. Okay, so we are going to be using this indicator here to know when the trend will be changing. Okay, so now this is how you do it. Now once you see this blue line get to the oversold level, around here is the oversold level and around here is the overbought level. So once you see the blue line gets to the oversold level, all right, you want to wait for one more condition. Okay, now you are going to see that the blue line will cross above the 20 level, the 0 level here. Okay, you can see this is the 0 level. So once you see this crossing, the blue line crossing above the 0 level, it means that the market is changing from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, it means that buyers have taken control of the market, so the buying opportunity will be more than selling opportunities. Okay, so you want to grab this opportunity and use it to make money. Okay, so now this is what you are going to do. Once you see this crossing on the 1 hour time frame, right, you are going to step down. Now you make sure that the blue line has crossed above this 0 level. All right, so once you see this crossing, you will now step down to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so I'm going to mark this area now so that you get what I'm saying. So this is the area where it crosses the 0 level on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can choose to do your analysis on the 1 hour or the 30-minute time frame. Okay, or you can even use the 15-minute time frame too. Okay, but for this video I'll be using the 1 hour time frame for our examples. Okay, so now after marking this area, you step down to the 1 minute time frame. Now let's go to the area where I marked and I'll show you what happened there. Okay, all right guys, so you can see this is the area where I marked on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so now you can see that price has gotten crossing to the upside, right? So we are now in buyers territories. Okay, so now you want to be looking for buy opportunities only. Okay, this is crash 1000, so we are looking for buy opportunities. You want to be taking these small candles. Okay, so now you know that you are in a buyers market, you are in an uptrend. Okay, so you only look for buy opportunity. Okay, so as you can see around this area, you want to apply the same condition again. Okay, you wait for this blue and green line to get to the oversold level. All right, so once it gets to the oversold level, you wait for one more condition. Okay, I'm coming, let me set something up for you guys. Now we are going to change this moving average to white. Okay, so that it will reflect on our chart because we are using a black background. Okay, so you change it to white. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, so now you can see it's more better now. So once it's this white and blue line gets to the oversold level, that is your first condition after doing your analysis. Okay, now you are going to wait for the white line to cross above the blue line. All right, so once this crossing happen, you are to go in for 5 candles, guys. You go in for 5 candles. You are not to stay more than 5 candles. So you go in for 5 candles. All right, after the 5 candles, you exit the market and you look for another opportunity. Okay, so now you can see this is the area where it crosses, right? So here you will be able to take 5 candles before any spike will come, right? And mind you, so far you have respect the condition. You know you are in an uptrend. Any spike that will happen when you take an entry will not blow your account. Just be rest assured, any spike that will happen will not be able to blow your account. Okay, so now you see there was a spike here, but you'll be able to take your 5 candle before the spike will come, so you don't need to be scared. That's first example. Let me show you another example again. You can see the blue line and the white got to the oversold level, sorry. So this is a very perfect opportunity. Once you see it like this, it's a very perfect, this kind of opportunity will give you massive money. Okay, so now once you get to this area, you go in, you pick your 5 candles. Okay, remember not to stay more than 5 candles, guys. Don't be greedy. So you can see around this area here we got our crossing, right? So you'll be able to pick your 5 candles and then you exit, right? Here again you can see the condition was met here. You got your crossing, you pick your 5 candles and you are out of the market. So as you keep getting these conditions, as you keep getting these signals, you pick your 5 candles, you go back to your 1 hour and you keep checking. All right, you check if this has crossed below the 0 level. All right, but as far as the lines are above the 0 level, to be scared. All right, it means that you have more buying opportunities in the market, and the most of your trades is going to go in profit. Okay, so and as you can see, this is a strategy that has more opportunities in the market. Okay, with this strategy you are going to have multiple buying opportunities which you can use to make a lot of money on daily basis. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to go and backtest this strategy. All right, don't just take my words for it. Make sure to backtest very well. Once you have backtest and you see that it's working for you, then you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, you can decide to deposit and then start trading with this strategy. Okay, but make sure you test it first and you see that it's good for you. Okay, so that's it guys. I think that's going to be all for this video because I don't want the video to be too long. Okay, so make sure you go practice, and once you are good to go, you then put your money to it. Okay, so if you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thanks for watching guys. See you out.